Welcome back, Future Medicos. In today's video, we are going to look at Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, which is affiliated to the deemed university, Maharishi Markandeshwar Deemed University, which is located at Mullana in Ambala district in Haryana. So this is the college we are going to see the details today. So what are the details we are going to see? We are going to look at the number of seats available in this college and what is the breakdown of the different kind of category of seats available in this college. We will look at who is the counseling authority and where you should apply to get a seat in this particular college. We will look at what was the cutoff marks in 2020 for the general category seats. We will also look at what is going to be the fee structure in 2021. We are going to see how much you need to pay to the hostel in case if you are interested to stay in the hostel. So come, let's see the details. Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, of course, the stands for Maharishi Markandeshwar. This particular college totally offers 150 MBBS seats, which are divided into two major categories. The first category is basically the general management category, which has 128 seats. That is 85% of the seats go to general management. And then 15% of the seats go to NRI category. So under NRI category, we have 22 seats. Now, who is going to conduct the counseling for this particular college? All the seats, that is all the 150 seats will be filled through Medical Counseling Committee or MCC in short. So if you are interested to apply to this particular college, if you are interested to get a seat in this college, you need to register with MCC at the website mcc.nic.in. Okay, that is the website. The counseling has not started yet. So probably we will know when the counseling will start, probably on January 6, 2022. So it's almost, we are closer to the date. So hopefully we will get an answer on January 6 at Supreme Court about the counseling start date. Now, what was the cutoff marks in 2020 for general category seats? I will tell you the cutoff for round 1, round 2 and mop up. In round 1, if you look at the cutoff in terms of all India rank, it was 1,62,000 all India rank and equivalent NEET marks was 421. In round 2, it came down to all India rank 2,30,000 and NEET marks 363. And in the mop-up round, it has gone up again to all India rank 1,75,000 and NEET marks 409. So if anyone is interested in this college and if you have more than 350 marks, you have a chance to get a seat in this college. So if you have 350 plus, probably you have a better chance to get a seat in this college. Now, what is the fee structure for general category seats? So this is the fee structure. The tuition fee is, annual tuition fee is 15.5 lakhs. So every year you need to pay 15.5 lakhs towards tuition fee. Of course, in fact, this is the first year fees. And second year onwards or every year, there will be a 10% increment. So what it means, so first year you will be paying 15.5. Second year, approximately, you'll be paying 17 lakhs. The third year, approximately, you'll be paying 18.5. The fourth year, you'll be paying approximately 20 lakhs and so on, right? So every year, try to add 10% to the tuition fee. Now, how many years they are charging? They are charging only for 4.5 years. They are not charging for 5 years. In addition to the tuition fee, every year, you also need to pay 18,300 towards university charges. And in addition, only in the first year, you need to pay a registration fee of 40,000 and resource development fees of 25,000. So this 65,000, 40,000 plus 25,000, 65,000 is only in the first year. Subsequent years, you will not be paying this. So how much total I need to pay in the first year? I need to pay 16.33 lakhs towards the college. And subsequent years, how much you will be paying? 15.5 lakhs plus 10% plus 18,300. So first year, it will be 16.33 lakhs. Second year, approximately, it will come to around 17.2 lakhs and so on, right? The third year could be around 19 lakhs and the fourth year could be 20 lakhs plus. Now, this is the first year college fees. Now let's see what is the fees for the hostel. For the hostel, you'll be paying 2 lakh rupees and you'll be getting a twin sharing AC hostel, including mess. So basically, mess and hostel, you'll be paying 2 lakh rupees. So first year, your expenses are going to be 16.33 plus 2 lakhs. That's approximately about 18.33 lakhs in the first year. So add your personal expenses and all, probably you have to budget around 19 lakhs. Okay, that would be a safer budget, because in addition to this, probably you may have some exam fees. You need to buy some books, some kits. So probably budget around 19 lakhs for the first year. Now, if you are an NRI, the NRI fees is for the entire course. It's going to be 180,000 US dollars. Okay, the entire course, it's 180,000 US dollars. And the hostel is the same as general category students. You'll be paying 2 lakhs per year for hostel and mess. Now, what are the documents needed for admission? You need to have all these original certificates along with 2 sets of photocopies. So you need the NEET admit card, you need the NEET results, you need the 10th mark sheet, you need the 12th mark sheet, you need the provisional allotment letter issued by Medical Counseling Committee. You need to download online from mcc.nic.in. After you get a seat, you need to download that. You need 8 passport size photographs. You need some proof of identity. It can be Aadhaar card, PAN, driving license, or passport. Community certificate or caste certificate in case if it is applicable, say you come under OBC, SC, ST, you need this. Migration certificate, typically it's needed if you come from other states. Then if you are an NRI, the necessary supporting documents for NRI. So these are the documents needed for admission in this particular college. Okay, I hope this information is useful to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.